So this is Shikha. We have known each other for
4 years.
4 years now. I am Shikha's coach. Shikha is herself a coach right now in the business community. 2024 में बता रही थी how it was an amazing year. तो थोड़ा आपका शेयर करो कैसा
Yeah, for
गया?
sure. Hi everyone, my name is Shikha और मैं ओंटारियो कनाडा में रहती हूँ और ओरिजिनली आई एम फ्रॉम दिल्ली इंडिया. अमेजिंग फीलिंग. आई एम डूइंग दिस बिजनेस लाइक 4 years हो गए हैं एंड स्टार्टिंग में थोड़ा सा हुआ कि लाइक यू नो आई डोंट नो हाउ दिस बिजनेस है बिकॉज आई वाज लाइक मुझे कोई नॉलेज नहीं थी बट एज गो अलॉन्ग इतना इस बिज़नेस में मैंने अचीव किया है. लास्ट ईयर वॉज अमेजिंग बिकॉज ऑफ दिस बिजनेस हम लोग 1 month के लिए यूरोप ट्रिप पे गए एंड आफ्टर दैट वी डिड लॉट्स ऑफ इन्वेस्टमेंट for our kids future and for our family, like for ourselves too, and amazing experience. और you know as she is my coach, as everybody knows that, और हम लोगों को कई बार आप लोगों ने इकट्ठे देखा भी होगा. she give me lots of guidance and मैंने हमेशा फरहाना के फुटस्टेप को फॉलो भी किया है एंड जिसकी वजह से आई एम proudly say that like I am a good coach now and also like I already shared with you guys that मैंने बहुत सारे अचीवमेंट्स लास्ट ईयर बहुत अचीवमेंट जो मैंने सोचा भी नहीं था कि मुझे इतनी जल्दी मिल जाएंगे और मेरे को बहुत अच्छे लाइक माइलस्टोन मैंने इस बिज़नेस में अचीव किए हैं. एंड दिस ईयर इन द बिगनिंग जस्ट मैं स्टार्ट क्योंकि अभी जनवरी ही खत्म हुआ है एंड आई जस्ट वांट टू शेयर द रिजल्ट हियर दैट आई अर्न मोर देन $40,000 इन दिस मंथ. सो अमेजिंग एक्सपीरियंस इन दिस.
This is Maritis. Maritis is my mentor 5 years ago when I started the business. Right now Maritis is a very successful business owner. You definitely are. She's a very humble person. No matter how much success she sees, she's still very down to earth, very great, amazing person and friend to have.
I'm Marites. I was a caregiver for almost 10 years. I found this business at the last month of my maternity leave. At that time, I don't want to go back to work or do part-time because it's hard to leave your kids to someone else. And then I found this amazing business. That was in August 2018. And in just few months of doing this business, I earned more than what I was expected. So I became a full-time stay-at-home mom for almost 6 years. I enjoyed my life being with my kids. With my first baby, I always missed lots of milestones because I was not there. I was not there taking care of her. But this time, on my second baby, I was with her all the time. So I didn't miss anything. I'm so happy and this business really changed a lot in my life. Yeah, we traveled without worrying any expenses. We all know going back in our own country is too expensive, and because of this business, and this is doable, you can do it wherever you go, wherever you are, even on vacation. It's really amazing. It's very incredible, and it really changed my life and many lives in the community, in our online community.
Here, hi. So I want to ask one question.
Sure.
So regarding the husband,
Oh,
how much support you get from your husband for this?
oh, 101% support. He was with me all the way. I was not all in, but my husband said, "You can do it. Why not do it?" And then since from the start, he was there with me in every steps of the way.
And you know guys, all of our husbands are over here.
Yes.
And they
Why
are
not?
supporting us. Yeah, why not call them? Let's call them.
Okay.
Guys, husbands, come here.
Raj, जेबी को भी बुलाना. Come. Yeah, our supporters.
So each husband behind the wife. So let's do it one by one, okay? So this is my husband Shahzad.
My husband, Javik.
My husband Raj.
So come here. Since I started the business like 5 years ago, I remember. So I always put him in a tight spot in a corner to share what it's like, because we come across so many like in our Indian and Desi culture, it's not very common, right? To like husbands are very controlling and all of those things. I am very blessed to have an open-minded husband in my life, and all of these guys are that way. That is why we were given the freedom to do something different, do something like the business is something which is not a common way of making income online, right? You will have a social media presence, and having someone who is okay with it, like we are not doing anything wrong, we're not doing anything, you know, obscene or anything of that sort, we're not dancing in front of the cameras and doing all of those things, but still having someone who, you know, supports all of that is a huge thing. Do you want to share something, Shazad?
Nothing. I'm just happy with what she does, and it's been a life changer. That's all.
Yeah.
What do you wanna say?
Everything has been so good. We are so happy.
We are not forcing them to say all of these things. These things, it is their own words. Okay?
This was totally spontaneous. I wasn't even prepared.
Jamie, why don't you come
Yeah,
forward?
this business changed our life. You know?
Absolutely. Thank you guys. Thank you.
Thank you.